Students, welcome to the Standard 6 Social Science Part 3 Civics class. Dear students, kindly take out Chapter 3. What is government? What is government? The word government comes from the Latin word governor, which means to steer a ship, to guide or to rule. In every society, there are groups of people who are responsible for controlling a country or a state. This is called government. Government means a system by which people are governed. Government is an administrative organ of the state. The government can be changed, but state will remain the same. Need of government. Without a government, the population would be like an unorganized mass with no means of collective action. See student, this is Parliament House and here it is Supreme Court of India. It is needed because it performs many important functions. A government has the power to settle down their disputes. It can administrate the land, make laws and enforce them, and it has the power to use force to protect the interest of the society. For these reasons, we need a government. A government is the body that rules a state. Main functions of the government. In ancient and medieval times, governments performed limited functions, but in modern era, government is performing a lot of functions to maintain law and order in the society. The main functions of the government are as follows. Turn the page. 1. Administrative. The government has to provide basic infrastructure to manage the day-to-day affairs of the country. The government works for the welfare of the country. The government performs the function of building roads and bridges, digging canals, railways, hospitals, post and telegraph services, etc. It maintains relations with other nations. See students, administrative functions of this government. Number 2, security. The government has the job of protecting the boundaries of the country and maintaining peace in the country. It maintains law and order in the country. It maintains an armed force to protect the country from the foreign attacks. Courts are established to stop crime and to punish the criminals. See students, establishing law and order. Number 3, economics. The government takes financial decisions for the country. It controls and regulates the prices of certain commodities. It also decides where public money should be spent. It decides taxes and duties to be imposed in the country. Government decides the economic policies of the state. For economic development, it controls trade and issued currencies. Social security. The government also takes action on many social issues. It ensures that all its citizens have enough to eat and have good health facilities. At the time of disaster, it is the duty of the government to provide aid and assistance for the affected people. Government prevents all kinds of discrimination in the society and ensures equal opportunities to all. It is also responsible to provide educational facilities. Number 4, environmental security. Government is responsible for the protection of the natural environment of the state. The government adopts many policies to reduce pollution, which is a main threat for our environment. It keeps the over exploitation of resources under control. Government performs all these functions on behalf of its people by exercising leadership, taking decisions, and implementing these among all the people living in their territory. Types of government. The governments are classified on the basis of objectives, policies, powers, and the nature of the constitution. The earliest form of government was probably that of tribal chieftains. They were followed by monarchies and then democracies. Monarchies. From a long time, monarchies were the most common forms of government in the world. In this type of government, the head of the state has a king or queen. The position of the king or queen is hereditary. The monarch has the power to take decision and to run the government. Monarch can consult advisors, but final power for making decision remains with the him or her. The king or the queen has neither to explain their actions nor to defend the decisions to anybody. Morocco, Saudi Arabia, and Jordan have the monarchical form of government. Students, rest of this part we will discuss in my next video. Till then, bye bye.